Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva. And so this morning's theme is Christmas lights. Next week's theme will be gift cards. So I actually got up this morning and crafted a little bit. I wasn't caring too much for the card that I had previously made. I got up to make this one, and I use this set here. I want to say it's twig and stump. Thank you so much, Gloria. And then I also use this here, and I want to say I used this one from Ariel or Paper Smooches. I'm not sure which one it was. Elizabeth Craft Design, I used this one here, and that's going to be for the inside of the card. And then from My Craft Time, Mr. Snowman, I actually just used that Merry Christmas. And for my die in my stash, I used this one here, as well as the little Christmas lights. Another die in my stash, I just used this one here. And then from Memento, I used Random Dots embossing folder. And then from Honeybee Stamps, I used their little gems. And I did catch a cold, or I don't know what it was. I had a fever and everything, so you can probably hear it in my voice. However, I did want to get on to show you what I made this morning. And as you can see, I still have ink on my fingers from creating. But I colored in all of the Christmas lights there. And I did add some iridescent spray on there. You can see that. A little bit of the snowflakes that came from the same set as Twig and Stump. I think that's the name of it. And added that little Christmas tree in the background. And I added that little snow hill. I wanted to have something to make it look a little snowy back there. So I think I did a pretty good job. And then there goes the other side. So if you have enough time to join in on us this week, make sure you use that hashtag, as well as join in on Saturday Morning Makes. All of the ladies' links will be down below. Saturday Morning Makes was hosted by Jillian Norwood, if I didn't say that. And that's about it. Well, thank you so much, everyone. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.